Hi, I am Mirco Planamente. I am a PhD student at the Polytechnic of Torino. Now I tell you our research on deep learning algorithm for computer vision and robotic application. At the base of my research there is the study and application of deep learning algorithms. Deep learning is part of a broader family of machine learning methods based on artificial neural network. We can say that the deep learning methods change the way to design an algorithm. Because instead to define the sequence of operations to obtain a solution, we want that our program is able to learn how to solve a specific task. For example, suppose the goal is to implement an algorithm that allows the robot to work. Following a deep learning approach, the robot is able to learn how to do it. The learning process is very similar to an infant brain when learned to walk. Try and fail several times, and after each fail, it learns something, until achieving the goal. Since the fact that the robot is capable to learn, it means that we can teach it or transfer our knowledge to it. The mechanism to do it is simple. Suppose that we want to learn how to recognize an object, in this case an apple. We just give in input to our model an image with its label, and repeat this process for several times with many images. And the tasks that the deep learning methods can learn from our experience are several. It is also able to generate new image or recognize human emotion. Even if the artificial intelligence growing very rapidly in the last year became always more powerful, it seems that the machine knowledge about the world is different with respect to the hour. Potentially, the data collected user to train a model are not so representative to learn our experience or our knowledge. In fact, usually the model is trained using just a single images. Instead, our experience is based on multi-senses input, so should be hard from a model learn all using a few information. For this reason, at the base of my research there is the multimodal learning. So, like the human experience, we want that our model learn from multi-input, in this case similar or not with the human senses. Moreover, since we don't live in a picture, we consider also the time. For this reason, we work also with video and not only single images. In our research, we work with this modality in order to find the right way to use and improve the cooperation with the standard RGB information. The last modality is very interesting because this modality is captured through a very recent sensor called DVS camera or event camera. It captures information that are more similar to the human eye, focusing on the motion present in the video and producing a continuous stream of events. We think that all these aspects are essential to understand and learn from the human behavior, but the question is if the multimodal learning is enough for a deep learning algorithm to learn the world in the same way that a human does. Unfortunately, the answer is no, until now. In this video we can see our operation from human and robot to perform a task. The time in the bottom of the video is the time that the robot is useless due to the fact that it is not able to understand what the human do or how it can help to optimize the work. So the question is, what we can do to solve the problem?
You never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view.
Probably the sentence to see the things from another point of view is not just a catchphrase.
Where did I put my glasses?
How you can see, the video recorded in first person are totally different by the standard third person. The concentric data are more rich of information because tell us how the user interacts with the environment. So, as you can imagine, the focus of my research is on first person action recognition using multimodal data. The interest of this task in the recent year increased very rapidly. A lot of universities and also companies invest resources to collect data in this setting. This is an overview about our research. Thank you for your attention. Please feel free to contact me if you have some doubts or curiosity about my work. I will have to answer you.